spent my morning staring at 20 different browser tabs and realized something truly annoying about modern work. We are constantly jumping from a document editor to a task list and then over to a team calendar. It is a digital maze that drains your energy before you even start your first task. This is exactly why a certain productivity tool has taken over every corner of the internet lately. It promises to end the chaos by folding your docs, your databases, and your team wikis into one single workspace. On paper, it sounds like a dream. You can view your entire project as a simple table, then flip it into a visual board, or a complex timeline with just one click. That level of flexibility is genuinely impressive. It feels like you finally have control over how you see your information. But I went down the rabbit hole to see if the reality matches the hype. Here is the honest truth that gets buried in most reviews. That freedom is a double-edged sword. This tool does not hand you a finished project tracker. It hands you the bricks and tells you to build the house yourself. That is fantastic news if you are the type of person who loves to customize every single detail of your workflow. It is a nightmare if you are busy and just need to start working immediately. I have seen people spend days building systems while their real work sits untouched. There is also the performance factor to consider. Once your project grows and your database gets heavy, the software starts to feel sluggish. It loses that snappy feeling. Plus, if you lose your internet connection, you are basically locked out. For a high-stakes engineering team, this lack of specialization can be a deal breaker. Specialized developer tools are built for speed in a way a generalist app just cannot beat. Then we have the recent changes to the Smart Assistant features. You cannot just pay a small fee to add those features anymore. They have moved the full power of their intelligence tools to the higher tier business plans. We are talking about a significant price jump for every single person on your team. It is not just a few dollars anymore. It is a real investment. Roughly $20 a head is a serious commitment for a small company, for a solo creator or a student. The free version is still one of the most generous offers in the software world. You can do incredible things without ever opening your wallet. But for a growing company, you have to ask yourself if the setup headache is worth it. You have to match the tool to your personality. Are you someone who enjoys the act of organizing? Or does it feel like a chore? This workspace is perfect for the tinkerers and the architects of the world. It is less ideal for the people who just want to open an app and see their tasks ready to go. It is a powerful engine, but you have to be willing to be the mechanic too. If you are looking for something that works perfectly right out of the box with zero configuration, this might not be your winner. But if you want a digital home that you can mold into any shape you desire, nothing else even comes close. It is all about knowing your own limits and your own style.